Hello friends. So MSMEs as a sector has been highly focused in the current pandemic situation by the government. Now the reasons for that is very clear that we need to support millions of MSMEs, micro small scale enterprises which are trying to struggle out in this pandemic times. Now to infuse liquidity in those systems, to push them to continue with their economic activities, and in fact to maintain their local economic edge over other firms or other competitions, and maintain the local labor intensive employment what they offer to the economy. All of those is very important from government's perspective, from everyone's perspective. In fact, in that context we have seen how MSMEs have been brought under credit guarantee scheme as subordinate debts to MSMEs. Here, the government is being guarantor of the subordinate debts which will be taken by the MSMEs from the banks, and these the amount here could be in the order of 75 lakhs or 15% of the cost, uh, if I'm correct, 15% of the project cost. But in that range, near about 75 lakh rupee loan, what they are taking with an equity, their own guarantee of return up to 10% for that loan, and the government is guaranteeing the rest 90% return of the loan to the lending agency. Now, the government is guaranteeing this subordinate debt being offered from banks to these MSMEs. That means that these loan repayment uh, obligation on the MSME will be at the lowest priority when it comes to debts, ranking of debts. So their first uh, the inflow, the cash flow, whatever will happen in the MSME in the firm will be first allocated to senior debts, and subordinate debt is the last one. So it is the most risky form of debt, and here some maximum chance of default, and especially in this particular scenario, it is most likely to be a default case, and that is well clear in the government that there is a high chance of default. So they have created a distressed fund for MSMEs, which is somewhere around $0.6 billion to $3 billion is the idea, requirement of that size of that fund to address the guarantor's role of the government for these default cases. Now, but why this is important? This is important here because it one way could have been to directly devolute, give money to consumers from the government's fund, and the consumers spend those money and the economy churns. So that is one way, and in some at some level that is happening. But this route of putting money in the pockets of enterprises, small enterprises who are trying to create business and economy, trying to trigger the economy, there the multiplier effect is much more than transferring the money to for plain consumption use to masses. So here there are higher multiplier effect of these money, higher velocity potential of these money, and in that context the government is ready to put in money in the pockets of MSMEs to trigger local economies. And with that idea the government has taken these steps. So overall, now the benefits and how things will come up, unfold, that is to be definitely seen in the coming months, years. But the idea, the logic is simple: to put money in the hands of people who are trying to trigger the economy. And I believe, I hope it works well. Thank you.